第一个场景是趴小床的，我现在还没想好具体要怎么去布置这个场景，但是我把这些花拿来了，我觉得这些颜色合在一起还挺好看，有长有短的这种质感也特别好。来趴个小篮子，宝宝整个都会躺在里边。顺便介绍一下另外这一位，入一下镜，
自己入进了吗？进了。
再上一个羊毛毡，上小枕头。今天的小仙女好期待哦！这个颜色也特别好看。Baby Anastasia. What's her name? Anastasia. Anastasia. Hi, Chloe. Oh, she's so small. Yeah.
哇塞，各种不睡啊！
最郁闷的就是我已经准备拿起相机了，然后妈又炸了。
嗯，对啊，那
但这个就是现实啊，就很多时候会有这种情况发生。好不容易弄好了，如果你让我拍2张照，你再炸了，就是那种。妈呀！要他不是个宝宝，我这个
这段掐了不能播。我们 Sissi 还是很有耐心的。
背景就是一个手绘的油画背景。
那这个花有这么多颜色，你准备怎么构思？大花的很容易弄出来就有一种村的感觉。
啊，不会。
怎么让它高级呢？那我们来解密一下自己的脑子里想的是什么。
我把这2个给叠起来，这样子有个高度。今天可能用到这些花。现在不是正好玉兰上市的时候吗？玉兰上市的时候，玉兰开花的时候。现在要决定用哪一块布，哪个颜色好，但又都不行。一定要黄吗？但又都不行，一定要黄。我就希望比这个再浅一点，但是比这个再peach一点。所以这就是为什么我有那么多的道具，我还不够用。决定用它。用这一块布，还能透出一点下面的白色。就这块羊毛毡有点太厚重，
有一种一坨的感觉，是吗？
嗯，觉得还是用这一块，这一层就好了，不然2层来撕就看上去太过逼自。满意。
终于下了。
那就等宝宝了。She was very sensitive. Not every child was like that. Some babies are like whatever. Once I put the baby down, if she cries, I rock the basket and I could also give her a pad. With the entire setup of this one, as you can see, the backdrop is a floral kind of design. It's hand painted. The flowers are quite big. I don't want to get the flowers to be too distractive. The distance between the background and the baby is so that I can blur out the background. If you use it as a floor job, I'm sure some of you guys have your own styling, but to me, I prefer not using it as much as the backdrop because it gets distracted. Oh, and these are artificial flowers. I don't know the name. I'm very terrible. I'm terrible with the English names of these flowers, but look, it's consistent with the background. Either the color or the kind, the flower kind, it's consistent. I wouldn't use the other flower on here because obviously there are different types of flowers. And I stacked these two together so that we raise the baby high up to be able to shoot as much background as possible. Someone's asking questions?
These flowers, magnolias.
Oh. Oh, okay, there we go. Magnolias. Magnolias, is it? Magnolias. And these are pop. Okay, but guys, I'll see you again the next month. Bye bye.